If you're wondering what your employees actually get with Expedition Money, I want to show you, because this isn't a few articles and a webinar. This is a full financial wellness ecosystem, and I think once you see the scope of it, you'll understand why it works. Let's start with the content. We have more than 3,000 educational videos covering everything from basic budgeting to advanced investing, debt payoff strategies to retirement planning, and obviously pursuing financial independence. They've been watched over 2 million times already, not because anyone made people watch them, but because people actually want to watch them. On top of that, we have more than 80 structured online courses organized into guided learning paths so employees always know exactly where they are and what to do next. It's not a content dump, it's a system. Because we go way beyond the video. Every employee starts with a comprehensive financial health assessment so they can get a clear picture of where they actually stand and what they should focus on first. No guessing, no generic advice, a personalized starting point. From there, they have access to financial coaching content, live and recorded workshops, books, written guides, and even games and challenges that make building financial habits genuinely fun. And running through all of this is our 5 framework, financial independence. It's the thread that ties everything together and gives employees something most financial programs never give them: a real reason to engage, a vision of what their financial future could actually look like. That's what changes behavior, not scary statistics, not boring slide decks, a vision worth working toward. For one low monthly subscription, your employees get all of it. The videos, the courses, the coaching, the workshops, the books, the games, the assessment, the whole expedition. And it starts at just $150 a month. So schedule a demo and let me walk you through what this exactly looks like for you so that you can get your whole team on their expedition.